What if we want to add our test cases inside a keyword? Okay, I have my test cases for the login, but I want to take some test cases out of them and do them inside the regression test suite or the smoke testing. That's why we have something that is called keywords. We will search for keywords here, keyword management on the left. We don't have any keywords. So for example, I want to create regression testing. What is regression testing like we said? Let's search regression testing. Okay, the regression testing is when something happens and we want to retest parts of the software. Here, okay, regression testing is performed after changes have been made to the software. Okay, so this is the test cases or the regression testing keyword will be assigned to test cases that will be used inside the regression test suite. Okay, save. We have another keyword, for example, which is smoke testing. What is smoke testing? Let's search for it. Smoke testing. So smoke testing or build verification testing, this is when I want to test the most important functions in my software in order to make sure is the software stable enough so that I can continue my testing or not. So I had or I delivered my build from the developer and I will test some functionalities. If these functionalities pass, I will continue my testing. If these functionalities fail, I will not continue my testing. So here, the smoke testing keyword will be assigned to test cases that are most critical inside any new build. Okay, so these, for example, are my keywords. So we can assign to test cases. Here, we went to the test specification. When I clicked on assign to test cases, he moved me to the test specification section. We have our test cases. We go to this test suite, login with email. I can assign the keyword to the whole test suite, or I can choose a test case like login with a valid username and password. And I say, okay, this test case is very important. I will use it in regression testing and also I will use it in smoke testing. Let's save. Okay, the other test case, login with a valid email and invalid password. This will be used in regression testing, but we don't want to use it in smoke testing. For example, login with invalid email will be used only in smoke testing. I'm taking only examples. Non-verified email will be used in them both. Okay, it depends on your industry and your country or your organization. And the last one will not be used inside any keyword. So here we assigned our test cases to these keywords, okay? And that will be helpful when I execute the test cases. And I can also assign the keywords from here, okay? From test link, I can go to assign keywords or go to keyword management, then assign to test cases.